Hello guys, welcome back to Stageset Lifetime Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Stageset. Stageset is a tool that lets you create digital sales room, and on those rooms you can have interactive media elements, you can have various types of files such as Google Sheet file, Google Slide file. You can also have downloadable content on those sales rooms, and then you can add your potential customers or your clients to those rooms. As a result, they will get intrigued by all of the materials that are present on that room about your service or about your product, and this way they can be interested in your product. And the great news is Stageset is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price, as you can see, is over $1,000, but at Appsumo you are getting the lifetime deal of Stageset at only $59. And Stageset is an alternative to Adobe Sign, DocuSign and PandaDoc. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this tool. So as you can see, you can create unlimited deal rooms. You can add unlimited clients. You will also have analytics if your client is watching your content, downloading your content, these types of analytics. There is also mutual action plan and track buyer engagement. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59 with 5 users. And the tier 2 costs $119 with 10 users. But here you will have access to all the integrations, and there are some really good integrations such as Calendly integration, and you will also get access to the advanced analytics on this tier. And the tier 3 costs $259 with 50 users and these additional 2 features. So if you want to buy Stageset from Appsumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. Currently I am on the website of Stageset, and here you can see some of the previews of the sales room that are made with Stageset. As you can see, this is introduction. So this is the sales room, and you can see what is written here. For example, you can see why you have to choose this company. You can also have your own video. You can have onboarding plan. As you can see, these are some of the examples, which means on a sales room, you can have all the materials that you need in order to make your clients interest in your product. After you log into Stageset, you will get this dashboard, and as you can see, here are all the rooms. So currently I only have one room, and you can also see these rooms on a Kanban view, and on Kanban view you can drag and drop these rooms on various categories, various stages. So let's go to the default view, and on the left side you can see all of your rooms, and you can also see all of the templates. So when you want to create a room, you can also use the template given by Stageset. So this is one template about sales follow-up. This is another, and it is about customer onboarding. So here is a full preview of the template. So now let's go back to this room section. And as you can see, here are 2 options on the top right side. So this is the created section, which means here you can see all of your own rooms that you created, and you can also see the rooms that you have joined on this section. So let's go back to created, and now first let's open this room that has already been created. So as you can see, this is the room, and this is a customizable banner that I have given. This is the profile picture. This is the name of this digital sales room. Here is a little introduction. Then there is a welcome section with a little video and also description. You can also see the 3 pain points that this room or this product or this service solves. So here are those, and you can also see the understanding so far. So there are various sections, as you can see, and the best part is you can customize any of this section, all of the section, all of the videos, all of the images that you are currently seeing. For that you have to go to this editor, and now if you click on the seller logo, you can change this profile picture, and if you click on settings, you can change this banner. You can also add a solid color as a banner. You can change the sidebar, the common color, and you can also change this video. And for example, you do not want this video or this section at all, you have to click on these 3 dots, and then you can simply click on delete, and this section is going to be deleted. You can also add this text. So as you can see, all of the formatting options now available. You can delete this video, or you can add another video. For that, click on this plus icon. Now you can add text, you can add media, you can embed various tools. So for embedding, you have Google Docs, all of the tools from Google Docs. You have OneDrive, you have video platforms, spreadsheets such as Airtable, Prezi for presentation, files, Dropbox, forms, and so many other tools that you can integrate or embed on this section. And this way you can create your own digital sales room. In the same way, you can also change each and every section, the text, the image, everything on here. And if you go to preview, you can see the preview of this room exactly the way your client or your potential customer is going to see. So as you can see, here is the preview. And how to add your customers or your clients. For that, you have to click on invite. Now all you have to do is enter the email of the person that you want to add, and that person is going to be added. You can also copy this link and then you can share this link to your customer. And if you click on the settings, you can change some settings, such as you can restrict by domain, or you can also restrict by password. There is also another option. So if you click on internal, you can see all of the engagements, which means the activities that are happening on your sales room. For example, you can see the health of your sales room, the company, the value, and also the last active. So as you can see, I have activities on this particular times. And in the same way, when you add a client or customer on your sales room, when a customer, for example, watches one of your videos or books a meeting with you, all of those activities or engagements are going to appear on this section. As a result, you will know which customer is engaging with your materials on your sales room. So now the question is how to create a sales room. For that, simply go back to the dashboard. And on here, you have to click on this plus icon or room. Now, the first thing you have to do is select your template for your sales room. So there are currently 3 templates. One is sales follow-up. The second one is customer onboarding. And there is also another room, which is digital sales room. So here is a preview for that. So what I want to do is click on the sales follow-up and then use this one. Now I have to provide the company name. For example, the company I am dealing with, the company I want to close deals with is the Twitter. So let's select that. So here is Twitter. Let's select this. And the room name is going to be Twitter deal. And the value is, for example, going to be $10,000. Now let's click on create. And that's literally it. There is nothing more to do. And this is amazing how easy it is to create rooms with Stageset. Now, as you can see, there are already some pre-given logo or pre-given colors and banner on here. For example, this banner is very similar to Twitter. This profile picture is the profile picture of Twitter. This is the color of Twitter. So this is amazing. Stageset already has a lot of companies on their database, and I have also provided even my own company, and I was surprised to see that my company was also available on there with the logo, with the actual color. So that is very impressive. You do not have to add a lot of things. There are already some things that are going to be added, such as this profile picture, the color, the banner and stuff. Now you have to add the other things. For example, you can change this name. You can also change this text. And for that, you have to make sure you are on this editor section, not this preview or this internal section. On this internal section, you are going to get all of the activities from you and your customers. And on this preview section, you are going to see the sales room as your customer or as your client. And on this editor, you have the full access to edit each and everything that is available on here. For example, you can edit this text. So as you can see, I can now select all of the text and then delete it and then add something hello. So as you can see, now this text has been added. You can also change this video. For example, I want to delete this video. So as you can see, that video is now deleted. You can also add another section. So you can add section, or you can also add template. For section, it is going to appear as this. Now you can add various elements to this section. And for elements, you can add text, media, you can embed various tools. And I have already showed you the tools that you can embed with this tool or Stageset. And then you can also add task list. So the task list is going to look like this one. On this task list, if you click on this plus, you can assign this task to a particular member or a team. You can also add another task on here. And there are also some other elements, such as you can add columns, you can file share. So this way you can add each and every section that is available on this section. And the last part, so as you can see, interested to learn more, book a meeting. So this is the last section, the last heading on your digital sales room. And you might be wondering how to add your own meeting platform or Calendly account. For that, you simply have to go to this overview dashboard of Stageset. And then from here, you can click on integration to add your Calendly account. And once you add your Calendly account, on this book a meeting section, your own Calendly account is going to appear, and then people can use that account to book a meeting with you. So overall, I have to say Stageset is an excellent tool that lets you create your own digital sales room, and it helps you to close a lot of deals with your clients, potential clients, because on that room you can have materials about your product, you can have text, you can have videos, you can have a lot of different types of other things such as spreadsheet file or a Google slide where you can have your own presentation about your service or about your product. And all of these materials are going to help you to close deals with your client. And once a client is going to watch your video or do something on your digital sales room, you are going to get notified using the internal section or the activities section of Stageset. So that is amazing. And if you want to buy Stageset on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. It is currently available on Appsumo with these features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.